Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate NBA League Pass on your TV using an activation code, follow these quick steps to start streaming live basketball games immediately. Step 1. Turn on your TV and navigate to the App Store for your smart TV platform such as Apple TV, Roku, Amazon Fire TV, or your TV's native App Store. Step 2. Search for the NBA League Pass app in the App Store, then download and install it on your TV. Wait for the installation to complete before proceeding. Step 3. Open the NBA League Pass app on your TV. You'll see a welcome screen with options to sign in or activate your subscription. Step 4. Select the Activate or Sign In option. The app will display a unique activation code on your TV screen, typically consisting of 6 to 8 characters. Step 5. Using a computer or mobile device, open a web browser and go to the NBA League Pass activation website. The exact URL will be shown on your TV screen. Step 6. Log into your NBA League Pass account using your email address and password. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one first. Step 7. Enter the activation code displayed on your TV into the designated field on the website, then click Activate or Submit to link your account to your TV. Step 8. Return to your TV and wait a few seconds. The app should automatically refresh and display your account information, confirming successful activation. You can now start watching NBA games. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.